today we are a mystery egg, and as soon as we hatch, we will be playing as a mystery bird. So all we need to do right now is hatch. Let's see. No, that'll be. I'll probably land in the water. Oh, I have an idea.
Jump off.
Yeah. Ow. Nope. Yeah. Out. Nope. Yeah. Out. Nope.
Ow.
Maybe if I fell off this whole Skylands.
You would probably die from that. Sorry.
Okay. Maybe if I just wee. Please don't land in the water. Dude. It says, do you want to hatch? Yes, I do want to hatch indeed. And so begins my journey as an elemental bird. Let's be a galaxy bird. And now I have hatched, and I am a mystery bird. Oh gosh, well this is a very unfortunate predicament I am in. Okay, let's try to get to the lowest place of the branch. Eek.
Jeez.
And ow, ow, ow. Okay, yeah, that hurt.
Don't walk into the lava. It's just like easy parkour.
Maybe I think I need food to grow up. Maybe I could eat these bones.
That's not a chicken wing.
Ooh, yum. Nom, nom, nom.
Infinite food source.
Let's take one more because 3 is my lucky number. Yum, 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 yum,
No,
yum,
that's
yum,
the
yum.
YouTuber's lucky number.
Oh, it says, do you want to grow up? Yes, indeed I do. Let's make new colors.
Why also mango?
I'm a galaxy flamingo. Whoa. Those bones really were nutritious, I guess.
Jeez, how are bones nutritious?
Whoa. And ow. I really need to practice my flying skills. Ow. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, yeah, I definitely need to practice my flying. Let's try that again. Okay, it's not going very bad so far. Dude, be quiet. Okay, I think I'm learning some tricks. And whoa, 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 ow. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, yeah, definitely need to work on my flying. Okay. Okay, looks like I've unlocked the ability of running now because I've gotten hurt so much, I guess. What if I just, flew up? None can go wrong with that. I need a trainer. A trainer to help me fly.
Jet.
Ow. Ow. Okay, yeah, definitely need a trainer. Hold on, let me say something. Who wants to train me to fly without crashing? Somebody's just spamming adopt me, please.
They're so cute.
Yeah. Ow. Yeah, I could really use that trainer. Yeah, I could really totally use that trainer right now. Maybe since I've gotten hurt so much, then I can fly now. Let's try some tricks. Okay, I haven't fallen now. I haven't fallen yet. So that's good. Hey, I think that those being hurt actually helped me. What do you know? Whoa. This place is so cool. Whoa. I don't feel so good.